Fix Wi-Fi USB tethering not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run hardware troubleshooter. If that didn't work, fix 2. Run network troubleshooter. Select Update Driver. From the options, select Browse My Computer for driver software. Proceed to let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. Make sure to deselect Show Compatible Hardware. Within the manufacturer list, find and select Microsoft. Finally, pick the remote NDIS compatible device model, then hit Next. If that didn't work, fix 4. You can download the latest network driver from your device manufacturer or simply employ the Windows Update feature, the latter is less reliable. If that didn't work, fix 5. Reset your internet connection settings. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.